Respiratory and Pulmonary Volumes and Capacities. There are 4 respiratory volumes: tidal volume, TV, inspiratory reserve volume, IRV, expiratory reserve volume, ERV, residual volume, RV, and 4 respiratory capacities: inspiratory capacity, IC, functional residual capacity, FRC, vital capacity, VC, and total lung capacity, TLC. The recording of breathing is known as a spirogram. The quantities of air that lungs can receive, hold, and expel under different conditions are called pulmonary volumes, and combination of 2 or more pulmonary volumes are called pulmonary capacities. The apparatus commonly used to measure the pulmonary volume is a spirometer or respirometer.